Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new in here, my name is Shugata. Today I have got for you the perfect weight loss poha upma recipe, which is not just a diet recipe for weight loss, it is also healthy budget meal. Here I am using 1/4 cup of flattened rice. First, roast some peanuts. I am going to use some roasted peanuts in this recipe. This diet poha is not just gluten free, it also vegan, and this weight loss recipe can be easily consumed for breakfast, lunch or as a snack recipe. In this recipe, I am using some carrots, beans and peanuts also. It's all of 145 calories and plate full of goodness will keep you full throughout the day. You can consume it any time of the day. I am going to take a pan, heat it up and add 1 teaspoon of refined oil into it. When oil is heated, add some cumin seeds and curry leaves. This recipe will provide you all the nourishment as it loaded with nutrients. The perfect combination of your micros and macros to keep you full and energetic throughout the day. It's a quick and easy recipe. It's going to be done in just no time at all. Now I am going to add some chopped onion into it. This is perfect choice when you are looking for a quick snack or a meal, and yes, it can also be made anytime and anywhere. Now I am going to add some carrots and beans into it. The manufacturing process of poha actually subjects it to fermentation, which leads to a build-up of very good bacteria, which is cause the metabolization of carbs and protein, which the rice contain. In short, rice is converted into poha by flattening it. That's why poha is commonly known as flattened rice. Now I am going to add half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per your taste. Turmeric is a magic spice which contains antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral and antibiotic properties. So don't miss it, which gives nice rich yellow color to our poha. When you are trying to lose weight and looking for just a perfect snack or healthy meal option, poha versus rice, poha is a better option. It's a complete balanced meal on its own. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now mix the all ingredients nicely. Poha is very low in calories. It has about 76.9% of carbohydrates and 23% fat, which makes it one of the most ideal choice for weight loss. Apart from this, it is rich in fiber and therefore leaves you feel full for a longer time and helps avoid overeating. I am going to add just a little bit of water and let it simmer with lid on low flame. Now I am going to soak 1/4 cup of poha. I am taking the regular version, which is easily available in the market, and this is flattened white rice. I am just going to soak it in very little bit of water and then it should be ready. Add some coriander leaves into it. Poha is a wholesome meal. It is a good source of carbohydrates, packed with iron, rich in fiber, a good source of antioxidants and essential vitamins, and is gluten-free. It is known to be good for those who have diabetes, skin and heart problems. To make it protein rich, I am going to add peanuts. Poha is not just light on its weight but light on your digestive system as well. Have it for breakfast, lunch or as an evening snack. It will never give you any bloating and keep you light on the stomach. However, it will not let you feel hungry. After letting it simmer for another half of minute, I am going to remove the lid and now add the soaked poha, then add peanuts. Poha on its own is very rich in minerals like zinc, iron, phosphorus, and it is loaded up with vitamin C and vitamin A. Not just that, it is rich in antioxidant. It is an easily digestible food and it's regulate your blood sugar. Now I am going to add some roasted peanuts. These have been light roasted without oil. Peanuts contain a lots of healthy fats and high in protein. Now turn up the flame and I am going to check on the poha. I am going to give it a good stir and it's done. So that's it. Your poha is ready to serve. This dish all in all come together to be a perfect balance of your macros and micros. This poha contain almost 0 calories. All these ingredients added here all plant-based ingredients, and plant-based ingredients don't contain any cholesterol at all. So the healthy fats in the peanuts actually going to help dissolve the fat soluble vitamin in our body, namely vitamin A, D, E and K. Don't forget to squeeze the lime for some extra dose of vitamin C onto your poha. Not just about the quality that you eating but also quantity matter. So don't forget, healthy food can also be fattening when consumed extra quantities. One thing is for sure, if you have a regular consumption of poha, you will never be anemic. To help your body absorb the iron better, squeeze some lemon juice on it and relish it in breakfast. A bowl of cooked poha has just around 250 calories, but if you have loaded it with a whole lot of veggies, it becomes rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidant as well. If you are watching your weight, try skipping the peanuts as they increase the number of calories. Poha can be your solution to all the health problems. To make it even more healthy, cook it in olive oil. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. You can find my social media link in the description box. It will be nice if you follow me there so we can chat a little bit more. I love you so much. Love yourself. I will see you soon with a brand new video. Take care and thank you so much for watching my video.